More news that's breaking this minute. Leader of opposition in Kerala Assembly has now approached the Kerala High Court today, seeking a directive to the police to not collect call records of the COVID-19 patients from any service providers. Remember, the Kerala police had decided to collect the call records to trace those people who have come in contact with COVID-positive patients. Let me go across to my colleague Vivek, who's joining me on the phone line with those updates. Vivek, amid the entire debate and row over the privacy breach, with this decision of the Kerala police attempting to collect the call records of COVID patients from the service providers, what are the updates you're picking up? Because now we're given to understand the leader of opposition in Kerala Assembly has approached the Kerala High Court with this entire matter.
That's right. The leader of opposition, Ramesh Chennithala, has now approached the court, and also he has taken up this issue in the state legislative assembly today. There is an assembly session that will be on, and leader of opposition Ramesh Chennithala and also other opposition parties have made it very clear that the government should not go ahead with collecting the CDR details of COVID positive patients. Remember, this issue has become quite controversial right from the beginning, with legal experts and also opposition parties, including the BJP and the Congress, saying that this is actually a breach into the privacy, and this is against, the constitutional values that, a government cannot track the the call data records of COVID-19 patients. But the government and the health department and also senior police officials whom I spoke to clearly say that, they're not tracking any details of the calls or the conversations. They're just tracking that, the whereabouts of their locations, especially, the details as where they have gone, whom they have associated with, and they are not going into the details of this. It's only for contact tracing. Now, that is the exact explanation which has been given. Now, both sides have been, giving their own explanation, and also the health officials say that without the call data records, it's not possible to actually track where the person have gone to. And the government does not have any other ulterior intentions in this particular case. But the opposition is not ready to buy this. They're saying that this is actually a breach into the privacy of the individuals, and hence it cannot be allowed.
All right. Vivek, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates. In other news that's coming